Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial for Bio 105 Exercise 3. I just wanted to go through and show you what your data is going to look like when you open it up. So under raw data, you guys don't really have to worry about this, but your instructor should have filled in your data that you collected. And then if you look under each of the groups, it will have your species that you found, the numbers, and the relative abundance, and then it will graph the relative abundance underneath here, right? So you'll notice that even if a species had no representatives in that area, it is still represented on the graph, right? So you're comparing and saying, well, we saw species 2 in our undisturbed plot, but didn't see species 2 in our disturbed plot, that sort of thing. So each group will have their own tab, and that tab will have their individual data in it. Now, the Simpsons index, what we did is we generated an average Simpsons index for the disturbed and the undisturbed area. All right, so our 0 to 5 in this case, right, we've got our Simpsons index here. It's also listed up here. Remember, with the Simpsons index, they range from 0 to 1, with 1 being the highest possible diversity and 0 being no diversity. So this is so you can compare between the disturbed and the undisturbed area. What was their species diversity as far as plants? That is about it. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in lab.